Yes, sir. We got another reggae flavor from Philippines.
Hi guys, it's 6:20 p.m. and we decided to have a walk. Grabe ang walk namin guys. Dadayo muna kami bago kami makapag-walk. Papunta kami ng Greenfields pala. Greenfields. Doon, para subdivision siya doon sa... Bago mag-subdivision, parang may malaki silang space doon na you can have a walk for ikaw, sa'yo. Tapos it's open for everyone. Kaya doon kami mag-walk ngayon. Pang ano lang, bago at least makakaroon man lang ng fresh air at makapag-exercise man lang kahit ilang minuto or isang oras ba. Ayun, nakaupo lang na buong araw. Ngayon kasi wala ng araw, paggabi na, so kumbaga okay na siya na mag-exercise kasi hindi na mainit. Ito na guys, ito na yung i-walk. Okay. Huwag mo na lang ilagay dun sa ano, baka sumabit na naman sa susunod. Hindi na, init. Okay na, that's good. Marami naglalakad dito guys, lalo na paggabi. Kahit weekend, weekdays, marami naglalakad talaga. Prefer nila maglakad. Ako yung outfit ko, hindi pang lakad. Pero naka-rubber shoes lang ako. Kaya dyan. Last time kasi sumabit kami dito guys, kaya careful na kami dito. Nung minsan hindi namin nakita, may malaki pala siyang parang putol ng parang dating puno na pinutol. Kaya yun. Kami, lalabas na kami.
Yep.
Carefully. Huli na pa. Uy. Uy, Saiden, no. Yung hindi ko kudang ano, dog. Careful ha. Marami kami makakasabayan dito nag-design or nag-walking. What you can see, marami sila design. Kami nag-walk lang kami. Mga 5 rounds kasi uwi ba.
The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shuffle time, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Another reggae flavor, you know. Yes, man.
People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, a drifting cloud. With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we have. I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. Do I don't wanna see you anymore? Do I wanna be the one to play your game? Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Do I don't wanna see you anymore? Do I wanna be the one to play your game? Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but not getting through at all. Day after day, leaving the past behind. Coming to terms with stitches and burns and learning to fly again. Whoa. Do I don't wanna see you anymore? Do I wanna be the one?
Pauwi na kami, guys.
Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna